Okay, so for our tutorial, we are going to teach you how to make a thumbnail, but we're going to be making it on BeFunky, which to get there, you're just going to type in befunky.com. And you should probably get to a screen that looks like this, and you're going to just hover over where it says create and then click photo editor. So what you're going to do is you can either make your background a picture, which is what we're going to be doing now, which you can just go to computer and then you can upload something, or you can go to more and then go to stock images, which will come up with different things. So I'm going to be making a thumbnail for my forest escape game. So I'm just gonna type in forest in the search. I'm gonna find an image that I like, and I'm gonna choose this image. So it will upload your image, and if we cropped it so it would be the size we want, then it would be nothing close to what we want if we want the whole thing. So we're actually going to go to resize, and then we're going to go to 480 by 360. So I recommend doing exact if it goes exact, or if it doesn't, try and go more. So I have 540 by 360. So then I'm going to then click crop, and then I'm going to do 480 by 360. So there I have my background, and I want to add my text, which I'm just going to do by clicking onto this little heart icon, which is the graphics. I'm going to click on rectangle, and when I click on it, it will create a square on the screen. And I'm going to drag that, and I'm going to change the corner rounding. I'm just going to make it the size I want. I want the corners to be rounded, but if you don't, you can keep it at 0. And then I'm going to see this little arrow right here, and I'm going to click on that. And I want to keep the box white or transparent almost, but if you want, you can make it like a teal color, but I'm just going to keep it white. And I'm going to make the intensity so it's transparent to 50. So there I have my little box. You can still see it, but it's transparent. And I'm going to line this up with the center where it will have something going down and then a line going across. Then I'm going to click text, then add text, and I'm going to change the font, and I'm just going to keep it at SC, but if you want, you can change it. So I might actually change it to Boogaloo, and then I'm going to type in the name. And then I'm going to type who it's by, which is animals. So now, what I want to do is I'm going to center it. If you want it to go to the left, you can, but I want it, and then I'm going to also center it. So there we have it, and you can also shrink the box. So this is your basic thumbnail, but I might want to add some graphics, which I'm going to search what they have on BeFunky. So I'm going to search trees. But this is the only tree they have. but because it doesn't have a start. And I'm not a big fan of that tree. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, in a new tab, I'm going to search tree, clip art, or whatever you want, and then clip art. And then I'm going to find one that I like. And if you want to be more specific, and I want a pine tree clip art. So I like this little silhouette here, but you can see that there's a little bit of a background, or if it's white, and I'm just gonna click copy image. And I'm going to go to remove.bg. And if it does have a background, you can just press Control V, and then it will remove the background. And you might not see a difference, but it does have a difference because if you did upload it, it would show as a white background. So I'm just gonna click download, but you can also use this technique if you want to change the background, or if you want to get rid of something. So if I might want to get rid of the top right here, then I can use the erase by clicking over there. But I don't want to do that, so I'm just going to click download. And then I'm going to go back to BeFunky, and I'm going to click on computer here, and I'm going to open it up, and it will come up like this, and I can just drag it, and there you have it. Here's a thumbnail.